Hello, good afternoon. My name is Luis Ángel Cadena, and this is my presentation about my town, Villagarzón, Putumayo. Located in southern Colombia, it is a small, flat town with a warm atmosphere. Its typical food is tacacho. Fish and maito are delicious dishes. My town is part of the Amazon, so it has many ecosystems. We can also find places like rivers, lagoons, and waterfalls where people can go to spend a hot day. In this town, we have traditional festivals such as the Chontaduro Festival and the Black and White Carnival, which takes place in January. This festival helps and boosts the town's economy and also help its people have a good time and have good experience. Thank you very much.